So in this episode, I'm taking this 56mm F1.2 lens on a photo walk around central London. But before we get into all of that, a huge thanks for those of you who have subscribed to this channel. So when I started this YouTube journey, I really didn't know what to expect. And I can only thank you guys for all the support and the comments. And I really appreciate it. It really just drives me to make these videos better and to take the channel to this next level. In the long term, once all this madness is over, I'll be taking this channel abroad. So when I go to Japan or when I go to New York or wherever, I'll be vlogging, make some cool content, which will be fun. So again, a huge thanks for subscribing and for your support. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd really love you to be part of what we're building here. But anyway, let's get back to today's episode. So I dropped a review for the 56 1.2 on this channel last week. As I said in that review, it's the lens which actually makes me want to go out there and take photos. But there are a few things I disliked about this lens, and I go into it in more detail in my review. So I've dropped a link for that down below. And just to be clear, I rented in this lens from Fujifilm, and all the photos were taken on my trusty X Pro 2. As for the POV content, that's filmed on a GoPro 7. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's go take some photos. So that was the photo walk with the 56mm f1.2 lens. And as I said in my review, shooting at f1.2 compared to 2 does make a massive difference, especially at nighttime. So whereas this POV took place at daytime and most of the photos were taken in daylight, here are a few examples of photos taken at night. And I think that's where this lens really does excel. In the future, I will do a POV with this lens at nighttime so you guys can get more of an idea of what it's like to take photos at night. As for this photo walk, I was really happy with the photos which came out. And as always, I've numbered each one of the photos, so be sure to comment down below your favorite photo. But as always, if you guys have any questions about this lens, you guys can drop them down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and I hope you guys have a great week. If you can, get out there and take some photos and I'll catch you guys in the next one.